Don't believe everything you see on the internet. Fake news is everywhere, and it's very easy to change the content of a website in just a few seconds. All you need is a computer and a browser like Google Chrome or Firefox. Even a child could do it, with no special software. On Pranksheet Shop, we show you how to modify any site easily. You'll learn how to quickly change texts, images, and videos. Let's raise awareness about the dangers of fake news. Fake news can cause serious problems in society. They mislead people, create confusion, and spread false, sometimes dangerous, rumors. This can cause fear, damage someone's reputation, or even manipulate important decisions, like elections. Fake news makes it hard to know what's true, and it can divide people. That's why it's so important to always check your sources before believing or sharing anything.